Are brake upgrades worth the money? I recently installed a Wilwood big brake kit on my Toyota Tacoma. I get it, it's a big price tag. And stock brakes can lock up the wheels on cars without ABS. Why would you need to upgrade? Your stopping distance is not limited by the size of the brakes, but rather other factors such as the surface area and traction of the road surface, tires you're using, weight of the car, and so on. It's called a big brake kit because bigger rotors dissipate heat better. The brakes turn kinetic energy into heat, which is carried away into the air around the brakes. If brakes get too hot, they can't dissipate heat fast enough. You get brake fade, which can get worse and damage your brakes. This is why you see many semi-trucks pull over to the side of the highway on descents and cool off their brakes. Overheating brakes will fail. I didn't want to take that chance, so investing in my safety was a no-brainer to me. My new big brake kit allowed for directional airflow, also utilizes some aluminum that dissipates heat faster, it's lighter, and when I was winter camping in the 40s on a descent, one of my buddy's OEM brakes overheated, even in 4 low. So you tell me, bigger brakes worth it for you? Bigger brakes will decrease your brake fade, and yes, increases your stopping power, but however with normal cars, you will not see the difference. So the question is, how much is safety worth to you?
I definitely felt like it was an OEM truck stop again, which after the 35s, braking power seemed a little bit weak. That's a big thumbs up for me, man. I'm gonna recommend this. Man, that was a great test ride. It's dark. All right, we are gonna do a quick check of the master cylinder. Yeah, we're good, bro. It didn't move at all. Thanks for watching. Peace.